We'll guide you through how to make a GIF from a video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
So before we get started, let me tell you about Giphy. Giphy is one of the best tool for creating GIF. It is completely free to use. You don't need to pay anything, and on Giphy you will find millions of GIF that other people have made. You can search for GIF, share them with your friend and save them. But Giphy also lets you create your own GIF. You can turn your videos into GIF and save them. To get started, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and in the search bar just go ahead and search for Giphy and hit enter. Just go to giphy.com and just click on it, and here you will land in this interface. Now you will see the Giphy website. It looks really clean and simple. At the top you will see trending GIF and then popular GIF from other people. You can also search for any GIF that you want. So let's say I want some dog GIF, so I'm just go ahead and search for dog and press enter, and now you should be successfully able to see dog GIF. So you can just click on it to preview the GIF, and you can just click on this download icon to download the GIF to your device, and you can also favorite it or copy link and send it to someone else. And you can also scroll down and you'll see the related GIF for the GIF that you searched, and here you can scroll down and you will get many results. Now that we want to create our own GIF, look in the top corner of the page and you will see a button that says create. Just go ahead, this is the button that we need to click. Just go ahead and click on it, and once you click on the create button, a new page will appear. This page shows different options for creating things on Giphy. You can upload your image or file to create a GIF. You can also upload stickers. You can also import another GIF that you want to change or edit, or you can even paste a link from YouTube or Vimeo. For this tutorial, we are going to upload a video file from computer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and choose my file. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and select my video and then click on open. Once the upload is done, you will see a preview of your video on the screen. This is a good time to think about which part of video that you want to turn into a GIF. Here is an important part. Most videos are longer than what we want for GIF. GIF are usually short, usually between 1 and 5 seconds. So you need to pick just a small part of your video to turn into the GIF. You will see slider at the side of the video preview. This slider shows you entire length of the video. You can move this slider to find the part of the video by just clicking the handle and dragging it just like so to find the part of your video that you like. So let's say I want to only keep the high-fiving part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set it from here and then let it preview, and after that I can just go ahead and move it just like so, and now it will be successfully looped. And as you can see, I made it for 3 seconds. Here, if you want more custom controls, you can just click on this drop down arrows just like so. So you have more control of what you are doing. So basically the left hand side controls the starting frame and the right hand side controls the ending frame just like so. And once you are happy with how it looks, you can just go ahead and click on continue to create. Now the first thing that you will need to adjust is the loop type. You can leave the loop type to normal or reverse. So basically if you set the loop time to reverse, it will reverse after finishing the video. So you can also leave it at normal, and here you will also see quick decorate. Now we get to have fun and add things to make your GIF look cool. For example, let's say you want to type something like high five. After typing, just go ahead and click on text, and now you will see it will be successfully added. Now you can just left click and drag it and move it anywhere you like, and you will see when you hover over the bottom right area of your subtitle, you will see the arrow change its shape. So you can just click on it and drag it just like so to get the required size. So let's say I want to keep it to something around this, and then I can just left click and move it just like so. So it sits somewhere which is not in the focus. After that, you can add another caption also, and when you click on the drop down, you will get to set your color. So let's say I want to go with somewhat red color. I'm just gonna go ahead and select it, and if you want other color, you can basically adjust the slider and you will get the color that you want. And now you can also duplicate it just like so, and after duplicating, you will basically get the same configuration settings that we add but just duplicated. So after that, if you want to delete, you can just go ahead and click on the delete icon just like so, and it will be successfully deleted. or you can also click on flip to flip it just like so. So I'm just gonna leave it at default for now. So now let's move to another option. Here you will get to search all the stickers. So let's say I want to search for cat sticker. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type cat and press enter. Now we will get all the cat stickers. So let's say I want to add this particular dancing cat. So I'll just go ahead and click on it, and you will see it will be successfully added. Now you can move and resize it just like we did with the text, and you can just drag the handles to make it bigger or smaller. So I'm just gonna leave it at this particular size. Basically, you can also scroll down and add many stickers at once. So let's say I want to add another GIF, which is going to be this particular spinning cat. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it, and now in the preview screen we will see it will be successfully added. We can just drag the handles just like so to keep it somewhere that is not in the focus of the video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep it at this particular side, and after that you will see the sticker will be successfully added. You can also browse through trending, favorites, effects, emoji, and accessories. After that, let's move to another section. Here you will get to apply filter for your whole video. So let's say I want to go with something like a rainbow color, and you will see now it looks much dynamic and good. You can also go with rumble, VHS effect, groovy, or no filter. You can also go with black and white if that's what you prefer. So let's say I want to go with rainbow, so I'll select the rainbow. And here you will also be able to adjust the intensity of the filter. So let's say I want to set the intensity to 100, I'll set it to 100. After that, let's move to another section, which is aspect ratio. Here you will get to set your GIF aspect ratio. You can set it to the original aspect ratio of the video that you added, or you can set it to landscape, square, portrait, or custom. So in the custom mode, you can basically resize your pixels. So let's say I want to go with landscape. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose landscape just like that. Let's go to another option, which is going to be layers. Here you'll get to choose the length of all of the content on the screen that we added. So let's say I want this dancing cat to appear later in the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and slide the slider. Now when I preview it, you will see the dancing cat will only appear at the last part, which is what I configured here. You can do the same with another stickers, or you can even do it with text. You can also change it into the ending point by just dragging it just like so. So I'm just gonna leave everything at default, and then you even have the drop down. Just go ahead and click on the drop down, and here you will get to duplicate your stickers just like so. And after that, you also have flip and delete. So I'm just gonna delete it for now. And after that, you can just go ahead and click on continue to upload. Now here you can also add tag. Tag are words that describe your GIF. For example, if your GIF shows someone dancing, you might add tags like dance, funny, or happy. In my case, it features a dog. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add dog tag. After that, let's go ahead and press enter, and you will see the tag will be successfully added. You can also set the visibility to public or private. For my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it to private. Public means anyone on the Giphy can see and find it, and private means only you can see it. After that, just go ahead and click on upload to Giphy, and just wait for it to complete as it may take some time. And now you will see it will be successfully uploaded, and as in my case, I set it to private, so this GIF is only visible to me. So you can favorite it, you can copy your link and send it to someone else, or you can even download it. So let's click on the download button, download it, and you will see it will be successfully downloaded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play it in my device. You will see the GIF has been successfully made. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close this. You can even add it to collection. So just go ahead and click on add to collection, and you can create a new collection. You can make it public or private depending on your choice. So let's say I want to go with private and set it to something like dog. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on create collection. After that, you will see it will be successfully added to your collection. I'm just gonna close this, and you even have the edit option where you can add a tag and make it public or private depending on your choice if you change your mind. Or you can also delete it from here by clicking on the delete icon and then clicking on delete if prompted. And that's it. We just learned how to make a GIF from a video. This is the fastest way to create GIF right now. Making GIF is fun and it's free and anyone can do it.